Sister in the corner. Sister in the corner.
Boom, 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 boom.
Hi guys, it's Sister Kingdom Corner. I'm Ambreen.
I'm Evelyn.
And today we're doing a challenge. Who can do the best slime? Well, okay, so we're just gonna make slime, and then y'all are gonna go on our Facebook page or Instagram or Twitter and tweet or comment. And no, you put your bowl on the floor, and y'all are going to say who did the best job.
And we've got tied. We've had tied for a while.
We've had tied for a while now. Let's get on with making slimes. Grab your bowl. Bow, bow. Pour it in. We're gonna pour the water into the cup. Not that much. I'm gonna kind of get
How much?
a little but a lot. Hold it. Stop. Okay. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your spoon and stir it inside the glue water to get most of it. And then you're gonna want to kind of just slosh it around a little. This is how you know mine is fresh. Now your slime looks fresh. Let me see. Add a little bit more. It smells like Tide. Okay. Add it in. It's blue. It's gonna dye your slime. That's not. Tails are gonna. It's starting to turn into slime. Oh, it smells bad.
My slime looks very, very pretty.
I need more Tide, Evelyn. Got it. Yes. Whoa! Stop. Let me see. This is our. Oh. Okay. And then I need more, and I need you to spread it around in a circle like this. Like that. I just sabotaged your slime. Did you? Oh. Okay, do it in a swirl. Do it in a swirl.
I got the Tide on me.
And me.
I'm gonna go wash my.
Oh, it smells like Tide. Tide. Evelyn, I need more Tide. No! I need it. Really? We're almost out. There's still some left? Let me see. We're out. And then in the blue, and the brown, and the purple, and the yellow. You should have them for. I think I'm gonna
use the shiny purple.
Oh, wait.
It's the prettiest.
Mine are called the pastel fives.
Mine are called the colors of the five.
The colors of the five.
No, the colors of the five rainbows. They're each one color. They're each one rainbow. And that's why she's the head, because she was the first one. It's not working! Okay, I'm gonna have to get this on a messy mat.
I've never seen sand on your slime.
It's not sand, it's activator.
Thank you guys for watching Sister Kingdom Corner.
We love you. Bye. Choose kindness.
Make sure you follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. We'll see you guys next time.
Give this video and give this video a big thumbs up.
And we'll see you on next time.
And don't forget to subscribe.